Meet the TECNO Pocket Go, the world's first AR handheld PC designed for seamless on-the-go entertainment. Powered by up to AMD Ryzen 7 8840HS processor with customizable power modes, it handles everything from indie games to AAA blockbusters. Featuring a 215-inch micro OLED display with a 60Hz refresh rate, it provides stunning, immersive visuals. The display is also adjustable for myopia from 0 to 600 degrees. Stay connected with advanced Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, and an ultra-fast SD card slot for smooth data transfers. In addition, the replaceable 50-watt-hour battery and rapid charging ensure you're always ready for marathon sessions. Whether you prioritize performance or battery life, the TECNO Pocket Go adapts to your needs, combining advanced features and portability for an unbeatable gaming experience. Get ready for a powerful skateboard ride with the Onewheel XR Classic skateboard. This electric board is a modern tribute to the iconic XR, blending classic design with cutting-edge upgrades. Its Goldilocks form factor ensures balanced all-around performance, while an enhanced tire and lowered ride height deliver unmatched stability and smoothness. With a lowered center of gravity, the XR Classic offers enhanced stability, smoothing your ride. Revamped internals provide 30% more range, extra power, and a 6-inch motor hub for superior cushioning. Enjoy advanced safety features, stylish rails, and optional wood foot pads that blend modern tech with classic charm. Additionally, you can track your rides and tweak the feel using the app's custom shaping. The Meta Quest 3S is a powerful entry-level mixed reality headset that brings immersive gaming experiences to a more affordable price point. It offers a full-color pass-through, enabling users to blend virtual and real worlds seamlessly. Mark Zuckerberg claims it as the highest quality mixed reality experience on the market. The 3S retains the Quest 3's impressive performance with the Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 chipset, delivering smooth gameplay and VR experiences at 90 and 120 Hz. It's equipped with enhanced hand and controller tracking, plus a longer-lasting battery life. The design is similar to the Quest 3, but features Fresnel lenses, providing a more compact feel, albeit with a slightly narrower field of view and lower resolution. Despite these differences, the Quest 3S shines in mixed reality, offering unique gaming possibilities with its 4-megapixel cameras, making it an excellent upgrade from the Quest 2. You will love the ExerRing, an AI-powered wellness coach. Experience 24/7 comfort and health benefits with its lightweight design. Start your day with personalized solutions from ExerChain's AI, offering customized exercise routines, meal plans, and guidance to help you reach your fitness goals. Track your workouts seamlessly with multiple sports modes and optimize your health with Zone 2 monitoring, powered by ExerChain's deep learning engine. The Ring also lets you stay motivated with challenges and rewards on the ExerChain app. Plus, you can monitor vital metrics like body temperature, blood oxygen levels, and stress in real time. With up to 6 days of battery life, water resistance, and touch controls, ExerRing fits perfectly into your lifestyle. Elevate your indoor or outdoor moments with the Vesper concrete tabletop fire pit. Designed for effortless fire control, this sleek and compact mini fireplace brings a warm, inviting glow to the ambiance, enhancing your balcony, backyard, or indoor decor. Now, you can enjoy smokeless burns every time for a clean, hassle-free experience. The fire pit comes with 4 roasting sticks, which are perfect for toasting marshmallows or enjoying casual get-togethers. Using it is simple. Just place the steel cup inside the pit, add ceramic wool, pour the fuel, and ignite. When you're ready to snuff out the fire, use the included extinguisher for a quick and safe shutdown. Stress is high nowadays in this tech-driven world, and we spend more time in front of screens. Any next-generation eyewear offers a solution to this by integrating the calming powers of nature directly into your vision. Designed with input from neuroscientists and optics experts, any eyewear uses innovative lenses that shift colors and light wavelengths to enhance mood and well-being. With 3 unique lenses, focus, relax, and refresh, you can switch between them effortlessly to suit any environment. Each pair is meticulously crafted, combining luxury with advanced features like blue light filtering and 100% UV protection. This eyewear is more than a visual aid, it's a wellness companion. Meet the Nikon Z50II, the budget APS-C mirrorless camera designed for rising content creators and photography enthusiasts. With a 21-megapixel sensor, the camera delivers exceptional image quality. Thanks to its advanced autofocus, you can focus more on the situation than on the technical aspect of the camera. The camera's fastest shutter speed of 1/4000 allows you to capture fast-moving subjects with minimal motion blur, making it great for action shots or bright conditions. Compact and lightweight, the Z52 is easy to carry wherever your creativity takes you. Lifelike color presets simplify grading, while seamless smartphone streaming keeps you connected. A new feature also includes 31 picture profiles, which you can access directly with a dedicated button. Transform your workspace with the Anker Prime 8-in-1 charging station, a compact powerhouse that keeps your devices ready for action. Designed for efficiency, it delivers 240 watts of ultra-fast charging, ensuring your gadgets never miss a beat. With 8 versatile ports, 2 AC outlets, 4 USB-C and 2 USB-A, it's your one-stop solution for powering everything from your laptop to your earbuds. Imagine charging a 16-inch MacBook Pro to 53% in just 30 minutes. Its sleek, ultra-compact design, complete with a clever pop-up outlet, saves space while delivering maximum power. The Anker Prime keeps you charged and connected, whether you're working or relaxing with your favorite tech. Simplify your setup, boost productivity, and charge like a pro with this innovative must-have. Colo Play is the ultimate studio controller for streamers, gamers, and content creators, designed to enhance your content creation workflow. With 50 customizable shortcuts, Colo Play helps streamline tasks like controlling your OBS, YouTube, and Twitch setups. It allows you to switch between scenes, adjust audio levels, mute your mic, and even control your Colo products, all at the touch of a button. Whether live streaming, recording tutorials, or editing videos, Colo Play provides a seamless and efficient experience, enabling you to focus on creating professional quality content. Its intuitive design makes it an essential tool for anyone looking to enhance their content production and take their streams to new heights with ease. This is no ordinary mirror. This is the Sensor Mirror Trio, a high-quality makeup mirror designed for precision and convenience. It combines 3 magnifications, 5x for detailed face views, 1x for a true reflection, and a 10x window for precision tasks like eyeliner. With true luxe lighting that mimics natural sunlight, you can ensure your makeup is perfectly color-corrected. The mirror also features a candlelight setting for low-light checks, giving you a full range of lighting options. The touch control brightness is intuitive and allows quick adjustments, while the motion sensor turns the mirror on as you approach. Cordless and rechargeable, it lasts up to 5 weeks on a single charge, making it convenient and reliable for your beauty routine. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the NextCube channel.